boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. Imagine being on a dinner party with Niall Horan. Why not? Because he sings about it, so we're invited. Let's learn this song together. Now, you have a capo on fourth. That is what I go for. I hope you have a capo. You can put that on as well. If you don't have any, then you can follow the same chords if you wish. But this is the absolute best setup if you want to match up with the sound, okay? If not, then just go with the same chords. I think they are the best. And yeah, it will sound a little bit darker up here on the standard position, but still easy to handle. So let's go into it, starting with the chords. And F will be the first one. So that's a bar chord. Place the index finger on the first fret. You push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. From F, we go to G. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The third chord is C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so that is the chord progression of the entire song. Easy. Now we have to learn the strumming pattern. It's a two-part, okay? So we're going to look into the transition from F to G. So the first part played for F goes like this. So down, 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 up, down. That's part one. So then you quickly change to the next chord, which is G in this case, and play up right immediately after you play the F. You play up, and then a short pause, and then up, down, down, up, down, up. So you play up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's part two. So again. So together, F to G slowly goes like this. And then you apply the same principles for the next two chords. C is played in the same way as F, down, 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 up, down, and then A minor in the same way as G, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's do that together. And that's one round. Now, together, everything sounds like this. And that's it, my friends. Doesn't have to be harder than that on a dinner party with Niall Horan. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.